Vivo India website listed the upcoming V9 smartphone with full details regarding the specifications ahead of the official launch, though this has now been taken down. Currently, if one tries to find the product listing, it takes one to a testing page with a dummy phone and a price of Rs 1 crore, which is not the Vivo V9. The listing also shows a device that looks like an iPhone X clone. Vivo's own teasers have also indicated a similar design like the iPhone X with a notch for the front camera and a similar edge-to-edge display along with a vertical dual rear camera. The listing page revealed the wallpaper on the Vivo V9 looks very similar to the one used on the Apple iPhone X. AI and AR-based features on the front camera are also highlighted, something which Vivo has also mentioned in its teasers. Based on the listing, the Vivo V9 will have 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display which is 2280 by 1080 pixels powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 626 octa-core processor along with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. The aspect ratio will be 19:9 for the display. The phone will run the latest Android 8 Oreo OS with the company's FunTouch OS 4.0 on top. For the camera, Vivo V9 will have a dual rear camera, which will be vertically aligned with 16MP plus 5MP combination. The front camera will be 24MP and there will be a 3260 mAh battery as well. The V9 was previously listed on an Indonesian e-commerce website, which revealed the phone could be priced close to Rs 22,700 when converted to INR. This is in line with the price of the Vivo V7 series from last year. The device will run on Android 8.1 Oreo with company's own FunTouch OS 4.0 running on top of it. It will be backed by a 3260 mAh battery with fast charging support. On the connectivity front, the Vivo V9 supports triple slot